Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Troll. I am Crypto Troll, and today, man, we're going to talk about DeFi Kingdoms and just the massive opportunity in the crypto play to earn space DeFi Kingdoms has. And the title of this video is, of course, is DeFi Kingdoms a good buy? So I'm just going to give you some reasons why I still believe DeFi Kingdoms is a good buy, and also why it is super undervalued right now, and why now is the perfect time to get in and place a position in DeFi Kingdoms. So we're going to get in and go straight into that. But before we do, man, make sure you follow me on Twitter, troll_crypto. This is where, if you needed any answers to questions, you could ask me on Twitter. And also, if I'm adding value, like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I have different videos showing you, ways you can get involved in the crypto space. I'm talking about liquidity pools. I'm talking about how to buy NFTs and everything that's surrounded in cryptos that you might want to know. I possibly have it on my channel, man. So tap in to that, subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into it. Also, forgot to say, this is not financial advice, man. This is just me, myself, vlogging my personal journey and just really trying to give tips and tricks on different projects that I invest in, and maybe hopefully that you can see what I'm doing and kind of just take heed of what I'm doing. But I'm not encouraging you to invest in any project, man. Always do your own research. I'm not one of those type of people who trying to pump his own bags, but we are naturally human. So whatever we invest in, we are gonna talk about it in the most high regards. So I say all that to say this, man, whenever you're on YouTube, make sure you always have your own thought process and know why you are investing in a specific crypto project, man. So let's get straight into it. DeFi Kingdoms, let's go. So DeFi Kingdoms, man, we see right now, DeFi Kingdoms is currently $8.44, down 22% on a day. And like I said, coin market cap is kind of off a little bit just because these are all self-reported numbers as far as like the market cap and things like that. Another website I like to use is CoinGecko. So both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap has the market cap at around 519 million. We see the 24-hour trading volume is 115 million. Then we see the fully diluted valuation is $4.1 billion. Then the total value locked right now is at $620 million. And I'm not sure if that's correct, but like I said, these are the top two platforms to go to check out the market cap, man. So that's just according to CoinGecko. I believe it's somewhere in that area just because it's been a major sellout, man. And we're going to go to DeFi Llama real quick. And when we go to DeFi Llama, we see currently I'm on the Harmony One's blockchain, and we see DeFi Kingdoms is still 60% of the dominance of the chain, man. But we see this 7-day change. We see a big drop, 30% drop with DeFi Kingdoms this past week. And the total value lock is at 612 million. Like I said, that's really the perfect opportunity on those dips, man. We see that huge dip, that huge sell-off from 6th to 17th. And we just been seeing, man, that tank and that sell-off is going crazy. But I'm still super bullish on it. And let me tell you why. The main reason I'm super bullish on DeFi Kingdoms is simply we have yet to finish the roadmap. DeFi Kingdoms is not a finished product, man. We still have so much more left. Yes, I believe, of course, we saw some of the sellouts, but you got to understand a lot of people have been in DeFi Kingdoms since the beginning. So a lot of people are starting to take some partial profits or complete profits. So that's why I believe we've been seeing a sellout, and also just the crypto market in general, man. Once the crypto market kind of goes down, we see a lot of other things follow behind it. Yeah, some things aren't pegged necessarily to Bitcoin or directly to Bitcoin, but things just simply follow Bitcoin right now. They can try to stray away. We have some projects that, for a little minute, they don't follow the wave of Bitcoin. But all in all, right now, the market is still kind of moves based on what Bitcoin is doing, man. So when people panic sell Bitcoin, people generally tend to panic sell other cryptocurrencies or assets as well, man. So we see currently right now, we are at the alchemist, and that's pretty much where you can make the potions, man. That is where we are on the roadmap, but we still have so much more left to do because we have yet to see Crystal Veil drop. And you already know, if you don't know, that's the DeFi Kingdoms on Avalanche. So we're very excited to see Crystal Veil drop on Avalanche and just start working on that other chain. So that's still something to look forward to. But even without Crystal Veil, we still haven't seen the roadmap finish on Serendale as well. And that's, of course, DeFi Kingdoms on the Harmony One blockchain. So what's next, man? We got kingdoms and lands coming. Then we already, if you've been questing, if you can have a possibility to receive eggs, and those are going to be major in PvE and comeback things like this. So I'm very excited to see what the eggs will have to offer. Then we will have buildings, equipment, PvE, guilds, then PvP features. And that's just on Serendale. But we will have the same roadmap on Crystal Veil as well. So that's very, very excited to see. And we already know Crystal Veil is 1/4 of Serendale's supply, man. So it's 500 million jewel. There will only be 100 million Crystal Veil. And by having to own jewel in order to get crystal, this makes me very bullish on DeFi Kingdoms in general. So like I said, the roadmap is still isn't fully out, and that's one reason I'm bullish. But the second reason, man, you got to understand, teams are going to build whether the price are up or down. And I want to just give you this alpha information. If you don't already, or if you haven't already, make sure you join the DeFi Kingdoms Discord. This is where you get the best information. You don't get any FUD. You get information directly from the team, and it just really gives you more confidence in to understand what you're investing in, and it just makes you or helps you sleep better at night knowing that the team is steadily working even if the price has dropped tremendously, man. And like I said, this is really the perfect opportunity to get into the game. But let's go to these announcements, man. So from Frisky Fox, you don't know Frisky Fox, he is the main guy at DeFi Kingdoms, man. CEO Frisky Fox, the main dev, the person who has the best information, man. So what did Frisky say? We see the community grow. First off, it's amazing to see that over the past 3 weeks, our community has grown by 50%. Many people are new here and might need to explain on how we do things. So that's one thing I wanted to point out. Although price has dropped, many people have came onto the scene. And look, I apologize for everybody who bought that top, man. But you got to understand, just because you bought it $20 don't mean you lost, man. Dollar cost average. And in my personal opinion, I believe in the future, jewel will go further than $20. But right now, just dollar cost average for everybody who bought at the top. But we see how fast the community continues to grow, man. It's growing like crazy, and it has grown by 50% just this past month, man. So X-Jewel holders not only get to cast votes on important decisions in the game, but they also are the most targeted recipients of airdrops. We generally have at least one airdrop snapshot period going on at any time to incentivize and reward people who place their faith in the future of the project, all while also earning returns on your bank jewels in the form of shared DEX, garden, and in-game transactions fees. So X-Jewel holders, that's why I've been telling everybody, when you buy jewel, put your jewel in the bank, or matter of fact, make a LP, make a liquidity pool, put your rewards from the liquidity pool in the bank, and get in that snapshot, man. DeFi Kingdoms is literally rewarding people for holding their jewel in the bank. And I can attest to this just because I got some airdrops, of different types of potions just by having my jewel in the bank. So we see the secret snapshot. So back in September, we had a week of daily snapshots that rewarded X jewels with various in-game items such as potion, gold, runes, and more. We're going to be doing another 10 snapshots similar to that format over the next couple of weeks. So prizes will be announced after the snapshots, making them a sort of secret snapshot. These snapshots are exciting because they reward anyone who holds over a set amount of X jewels with items, meaning lots more winners. That round of secret snapshots will begin on January 24th in 2 days, and we will be announcing the details of each of those as they are taken. So there's going to be major, man. This secret snapshot that starts in 2 days. I just been loading up jewel in the bank, ready to receive my airdrops, man. So we see that jewel and crystal and Gen Zero airdrops for X jewel holders. We are allocating an additional 600K crystal and 400K jewel to be awarded to X jewel holders according to their average holdings between January 24th and Valentine's Day 2022. So they adding some more crystal and jewel to the pot to reward the X jewel holders. In addition, we will be giving away additional 25 Shining Crystalville Gen Zero heroes in a raffle for these X jewel holders. Players will receive 1 entry for 100 X jewels and 2 additional entries for every additional 100 X jewel. Then we got the jewel, crystal, and Gen Zero airdrops for hero levelers. So hero levelers, rejoice. We are going to be airdropping 5 shiny Gen Zeros to the top 5 highest hero levels at a snapshot on February 14th. We will be giving 100 crystals and 100 jewels to the next 5 runner-ups and 50 to the following 10. So that's another way you can get in and earn some crystal and jewel. They just giving away money, man. DeFi Kingdoms is one of those community projects that really rewards the community for participating in the game. And that's why I'm still super bullish on it, just because I always say, if you watch any of my videos, community is like one of the major things in the crypto space. I believe community is what separates cryptos from stock, in my opinion. Like stocks, they don't have a community that literally holds up, that stock. Like people are more so like, I want to say sharks in the stock market, but they're more so with the investors mindset, more so. Not saying that a lot of people don't know what they're doing in the stock market, but more so in the stock market, it's an investing mindset. But with cryptos, it's kind of different. Yes, we have investors in the crypto spaces or people who come from that type of background, but it's like a community thing as well, man. It's just like when you have that community, even when the price is low, you're laughing with the community, making jokes with the community, and we know the team behind a good project is really building behind the scenes, so we can relax and just do what we do best and let our money do the work, and we just watch the team build out these good projects. And that is what DeFi Kingdoms is doing right now. They're building out a perfect project, but not only doing that, but they are rewarding their users who actually play the game, and that's going to be something that's going to go really far in the long run. So like I said, with the levelers, you will be paid to level up your heroes. So we will also be rewarding 1 crystal and 1 jewel to players for each hero level above 1 amongst heroes that they own. So if you have a level 3 hero and 4 level 2 heroes, you will get 2 plus 4 equals 6 crystals and jewel. We want to incentivize people to level those heroes up and get ready for the higher level quests and combat that are coming. So you also will get paid to summon heroes. So each new hero summoned from the 21st to the 11th will result in 1 raffle entry for the summoner to win a catch of crystals and jewels. There will be 100 drawings, and each winner will receive 100 jewels and 100 crystals. Jeez, you can't tell me another project is giving out all this free money, this free game, just by playing the game, man. That's why I said they're really doing something that a lot of projects aren't doing. So all in all, man, I believe right now would be the perfect time to get in the game. And yes, DeFi Kingdoms is still a good buy in my eyes. You can actually get started, you know, in the tavern right now. We see hero prices are looking at like 34 jewel, and we say 34 times about 9 right now. I'm just gonna round it like that. That's about $306 for the floor price for a hero. So not too bad to get in and start actually leveling your heroes up and questing your heroes and just really making your heroes better and prepared for what's coming in a roadmap. So, like I always say, these are things or 3 things that I would do if I were just starting out on DeFi Kingdoms. First, I will get involved in the money printer, and the money printer is the liquidity pool. The liquidity pool literally prints out jewel for you to be able to spend in game, and not only just spend in game, but if you want to take partial profits or whatever you want to do with it, you'll be able to have that jewel and just really stack your jewel. So once you are able to, you know, be in the liquidity pool, then I will take those rewards and put them in the bank. And that's just if I was starting today. I would take those rewards, put them in the bank, and let my money work for me that way. And then when I have enough, or you know, when I have 34 jewels saved up, and I believe the floor price will continue to go down as the price of jewel appreciates more and more. Of course, if jewel is $100 per token, we're not gonna see no 3,400 for the floor price in my eyes for, you know, something coming or level 1 type of hero. But like I said, I will get in the bank, and then once I have enough to buy a floor price, or not even just a floor price, a good hero that fits what I'm trying to do, then I will go to the tavern and then tap into that hero. So that's just, you know, a little spill of what I would do if I wanted to start today. I might make another video, updated video about just a whole list of going into like what you need to start, but not necessarily what you need to start, but what I would do if I had to start over and, you know, get back into DeFi Kingdoms today. So that's my video for today, man. Crypto Tro. Like I said, follow me on Twitter, Tro_crypto, and also like this video if I added value to you, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Y'all some real ones. I'll see you later.